Hello, it's video time again. I'm Leila. There you are, now you can see me. Hello, I'm Leila. And I had a few more things, so I thought I'd share it with you. Let's see. Let's just dig in. These things are both from Pen Store, as it says on the box, and also from a local shop here. First I've got gesso. I thought I'd try this. I have the gesso from I can't remember the label now. It's the big, everybody knows it. So I thought I'd just try it out, see what it will be. And here is and of course again I have to remove my glasses. L'Aquarelle, French artist, watercolor. Sennelier, and this is a color called, what's it called? Iridescent copper. Okay, so I was a little intrigued by that. My go-to colors are Winsor and Newton. Sorry, the names. But occasionally I try something else if I find a color I want. This is, by the way, my solution for dust-free things, paintings and so on. And I've got a few of these empty pans, half pans, and because I bought a new box for my, this is called something which I can't remember now, me and words, so you can put some more in it. And this is a very small one, so it's nice to have on the go if you perhaps do it on plein air. And here's one I've got. I usually buy them in tubes and put them in here, and my samples here, and this is of course plastic, so I keep this at home. And it's quite new. I haven't used it yet, as opposed to my other one, but it's been laying around for a while. You tend to get used to what you have, and then you use them all the time. But we'll get to that someday, no worries. And here's something Joconda, drawing, sketching, toning. Oh, let's see what this is. I can't get in. Oh, there. This is something I found. I thought it was, this is impossible to see, I can realize that. Those are different kinds of pencils and some crayons of some sort, and magic rubber, I think. Yeah, okay. And I've got another one as well, but a kind of fancier one. Create color, artist quality. This is the same, but with some different colors in here. And these, I believe, are watercolor pencils. Yes, they are. And some different crayons, and also magic rubber, kneadable rubber. So I'll try those out. what else do we got? Just an ordinary paper block to write whatever you have to write. And these are different things. Pencil, what is this? Unipin fine liner and Faber-Castell Pit Artist pen, different sizes and colors as well. This one is a 12 micron archival ink. Oh, this will be hopeless for you to see, but anyway, it's you can draw thick lines and some stomps. Do you call it stomps in English? I don't know. And this is a holder for this little thing you put in here so you can write. Goose pen. Did I call it that in the older days? I don't know. I have some, but I've lost my handles. And this is also a handle for these. I don't want to. It's a pen. I used to have one, but I've misplaced it, so I had to get a new one. Okay. And I've taken away some of these papers ahead so they wouldn't. Here was an interesting thing. It's a plastic container for pencils, so you can take them with you. It's not one of these, which you can do like that. So they might preserve the pencils a bit. And of course, my favorite paper, Arches, or Arches, whatever you say. Watercolor paper, 100% cotton, 300 GSM, that equals 140 pounds. I like those. I bought some on the other unboxing film as well. And here's a little pouch, smaller than the ones I've got before, but you can never have enough, I suspect. And that was it. And I shall just do like this, and then I don't have to say anything more about it. The gesso, yes. I use it for my canvases. Here's a thick one and a smaller one. And these are primed, I think, three layers. And then here's something I've done a long time ago. This is actually oil, but it's not quite finished. So, well, I'll continue one day when I feel like it. Here, can you see this one behind me here? That's a big one. It's primed with gesso, and then I've used watercolor on it with a big brush, a broad brush, I should say, and lots of water and pigment colors. Can you hear the airplane flying by? There's a lot of those. Sometimes they go really low, so they... Let's see, wait till it's past. I think it's gone now. Well, it's gone a long time ago because the sound is what you hear way after. Okay, so that's my sort of an abstract. I think I'm gonna do some more of those because I rather like them. I've got another example just to show you what you can do with this gesso. Here are the Monstera flower plant, maybe. And this is also watercolor. You have to use a special technique to get this to look a certain way. I can show you sometime in the future, perhaps. And here is just an ordinary little watercolor painting. I'm trying desperately, you know, I'm not, let's see, I can walk up to you and show all these fancy tricks you can do with the camera. I'm not that good at it, as you can see. Maybe I'll learn. Here's a little scene from where we usually spend summers. Those are old fishing cabins from way back when. And those fishing cabins. Here's an example again. This is not finished. I just took a little piece of it and well, sort of made it bigger. Well, you know what I mean. It's the same, but it's not finished yet. I just wanted to show you. I don't know why. Okay, so do I have any more? I've got this. I made a series of egg cup holders. Could that be? And this is made of gouache. Yes. So I did a little experimenting. Here you can see. Tricky for me to hold them up. Okay. Just a little thing to show. You can do lots of things. And these I didn't use gesso on, obviously, because it's watercolor papers. They just came along with the others. Okay, enough of this. If you've followed. Okay, see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.